Introduction. Welcome to a new way of learning English. United Kingdom. This video is not about boring grammar rules. It's about real conversations, real emotions, and real connection. Let's learn how to speak English with heart, not just with grammar. Grammar is important, but emotions give your words life. Native speakers use feelings to connect, not just correct sentences. Learn phrases that show happiness, sadness, anger, and love. Say, "I'm fine," or say, "I'm just trying to hold it together." Feel the difference? Emotional English makes your conversation more human. Use your tone, not just your grammar. Saying, "I'm proud of you," can change someone's day. Emotional words build relationships. Speak slowly, with feeling, don't rush emotion. "I miss you" is more than just 3 words. Practice how to express sympathy, not just facts. Body language and voice tone help emotional English. "You matter" is a strong, emotional phrase. Use storytelling to express emotion. Try describing how something makes you feel, not just what it is. "That makes me so happy" is more engaging than "that's good." Emotions help with memorization. Use music and movies to feel English. Practice emotional reactions. "Wow. Really? I can't believe that." Learn idioms with emotion. "My heart sank," "walking on air," etc. Respond to people emotionally. "I'm so sorry to hear that." Compliment sincerely. "That was really brave of you." English is not a robot language, it's human. You don't need perfect grammar to connect. Say, "Thank you for being there for me." It's emotional and real. Share your feelings, not just your thoughts. "I feel lost" is stronger than "I don't know." Ask emotionally, "You okay?" instead of "What's wrong?" Practice love phrases. "I appreciate you, you make me happy." Talk about dreams, fears, and hopes. That's emotional English. "I'm scared, but I'll try." Honest and powerful. Don't be afraid to say "I'm hurt" in English. Respect others' feelings in conversation. Learn to say "I forgive you," it brings healing. Try reacting with feeling. "That means a lot to me." Emotional English equals deeper communication. Don't just say, "Okay," say, "I totally understand how you feel." Real English is not in textbooks, it's in conversations. Use pauses to show you're feeling your words. Remember, people remember how you made them feel, not what grammar you used.